Sabrina, I'm Shin Ai. Now I will explain the function of mouth in digestive system. In our digestive model, the funnel acts as the mouth, which is the beginning of digestive process. Then we smash the food, which are the mixture of papaya, kuih peneram, bahulu, and prego with spoon for chewing and crushing the food into smaller particles. This smashing action is like what the teeth do. After that, the bolus is formed and passed into the air-wrapping plastic, which acts as the esophagus. In the mouth, the salivary glands will secrete saliva that moisten the food chemicals and also help to form bolus for swallowing.
After the smashed food flow through the funnel, which is act as mouth, it will enter the air-wrapping plastic that act as esophagus through a rubber band that act as a sphincter. Then the smashed food will be more accumulated and it will go down slowly one by one. It indicates as a peristalsis move. After that, it will pass through the other rubber to go to the stomach, which is the PVC part, to undergo further processes. Basically, in esophagus, the food will be stick together into like a small ball called bolus. Then, by waves of muscular contraction, which is called peristalsis, it will push the foot downward and reach to ring-shaped muscle called lower esophageal sphincter before move into the stomach.
The smashed food passes through the rubber to deeper bed, which indicates as stomach. In the stomach, bolus mix with acid, enzyme, and gastric fluid to form chyme. Hydrochloric acid denatures protein strength and activates pepsinogen. Proteins are then broken down into amino acid and shorter polypeptide chain by action of pepsin. Minimum digestion of triglycerides also occurs in stomach by gastric lipids. After that, chyme will be released into small intestine.
My name is Aifa and I will explain about the small intestine in the digestive system. Our group use PVC as the host that act as the small intestine. Small intestine are divided into three sections, which is duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The small intestine produce even more enzyme to continue digesting the proteins, carbohydrates, and also the fat. Most of the digestive enzymes are secreted by the pancreas and enter the small intestine via the pancreatic duct. Nutrients are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine and transported to the cells in the body by blood. There are four types of how these nutrients are transported and absorbed, which are passive diffusion, facilitated diffusion, active transport, and endocytosis.
After food is fully digested and absorbed in small intestine, then it enters large intestine. The main function of large intestine is to reabsorb water and minerals, secretion of mucus, and also allow microorganisms action. There are some good bacteria in large intestine that produce gases from insoluble fibers. The leftover will turn into feces and stored in the rectum. Feces consists of water, undigested food like cellulose, and some other microorganisms. Bowel movement in the large intestine allow defecation and prevent constipation.
Okay, so now I'll explain to you guys about the function of anus in our digestive tract. So the anus is the last part of our digestive tract. It is a 2-inch long canal consisting the pelvic floor muscle and the two anal sphincters, which is divided into internal and external. The lining of the upper anus is able to detect the rectal contents, and it will let you to know whether the content is liquid, gas, or solid. So basically, the anus function is used to store our feces before it's excreted out from our body. So compared to the model that we made, the anus here we use is it's like a hose, or it's like a PVC pipe. When the food is digestive complete on the upper part of the model, it will be excreted out through the anus part in the digestive model here. So the food will be excreted out into the beaker and is similar to the functions in our digestive tract of humans. That's all from me. Thank you.